Hello, everybody. This is Lewis from the Immutable Data Project, and I'm proud to give you a look at our MVP release of the Immutable Data browser extension. Today is the 4th of September for me, actually. It's 1 o'clock in the morning on the 4th of September. But as promised, today we wanted to show you this before the end of the week, and here we are. Now, as the MVP being the minimum viable product, their extension it's got all the functionality needed, the basic functionality needed that we can build upon towards the final product. And at the moment, it's able to do what it promises to do, in the sense that you are one click away from storing any Medium article on IPFS cluster and blockchain. How it does that is once it detects, if you click it or if you have the extension active, if you are on a Medium article, the extension will then allow you to, with one click, to extract all the information, store it on IPFS cluster, generate a hash, and basically publish that onto blockchain. So the data itself is on IPFS cluster, which is propagating millions of nodes around the world, making it absolutely, immortal. And at the same time, the hash itself is stored on blockchain, making that index retrievable at any point in time. So without further ado, I would like to show you this. It's pretty straightforward. It's a very clean, simple interface for the time being. There's no gimmicks, nothing fancy. It's more about the functionality at the moment. So here's the extension. If I click it right now, you can see there's really not much more to it as I mentioned. You have a little red indicator right here that says that we are not connected to Medium, because I am on Dara Global on our website. Our Twitter, etc. Right now we're on Medium, but the extension will show the same note because we are not on an article. With that being said, I can basically, let me open a couple articles, just some random stuff. And here we are. Now, if I check the extension, you'll notice that it's green. Before I get on to saving, let me just show you really quick this preview page that we've put together. Now, what this preview shows here, it's a live stream of all the data that is being stored by anybody using this extension globally. Right now, it's basically us, hence, repeated clicks on the same stuff. The last article was stored at 2216 minutes Zulu on the 3rd of September. So let's have a look at this one here really quick. Let's talk about sensors present on our smartphone. I'm going to click right here, click yes, and meanwhile go and I'll wait for this. Let's talk about sensors present on a smartphone. Here now you can see this on the index, and this is the link to the IPFS hash. If you look at the bottom left of my stream, my video here, you can see there's a Cloudflare IPFS.com and the hash. I'll get to that in a bit. Here's another article. Let's go click, bam, yes. And individual private clouds, P2P services. Let's try something else. Click right here. And really quick. Yep. And spirituality, remembrance, etc. Now, if you click on any of these, you will see what the data looks like on the IPFS cluster. It's basically it's a JSON dump. It is structured for our backends to be able to retrieve it and format it in a way that is more human friendly. But you can still pick certain parts of it. I mean, you can easily, as a matter of fact, you can just open this up in a viewer, and or you can just open it in a proper editor, and with a little formatting, it'll be pretty easy to make out what's what. So have a look here. Here's the title: spirituality, remembrance, etc., etc. Let's click something else. 5 common habits. There we go. Here's the title. Individual private clouds, whatnot. You basically got all the text and all the other content stored up here for you to preview and retrieve at any point in time. Well, sorry if I'm a bit all over the place because, as I said, I've really been working around the clock. We have all been working around the clock to put this together. We did not want to give you anything that is short of what's been promised, and really happy to be able to put this in front of you today. And I'm looking forward to hearing your feedback, and I look forward to do more of these videos and showcase more and more features as they come up. All right, so if you'd like to chat about this, you can always reach us on Discord or Telegram. I'm personally more available around Discord, and you can basically hit us up on DaraGlobal/Discord, and that'll take you straight up there. All right, so that's about it, and appreciate your patience, and thank you all for supporting us and being with us, and look forward to our first month anniversary in a couple of days. All right, guys, thank you, and have a good one. Bye-bye.